Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how I style my capsule wardrobe, a week's worth of outfits. Today I am going to be focusing on all basics, which I did not add really any specialty items into my wardrobe capsule for winter 2022. I'm going to show you how I'm taking all of these core basic items and styling them so that it doesn't necessarily look like I'm wearing the exact same outfit every single day. Today's outfit is my Patagonia puffer jacket, oversized boyfriend tee from Aries, 25-inch Lululemon Align leggings, black Cole Haan sneakers, and a beanie from CC. Christmas tree's still up. Even though I'm filming, well, I'm posting this video in I think mid-January. I'm filming it in December. So that's why the Christmas tree is still up and the Christmas bedding is still on my bed. This beanie, I think I put this in my Christmas gift guide for women a couple years in a row. I have it in this black cream color as well. It's just keeps my head so toasty warm. And accessories, I have my gold chain necklace, Apple Watch with just the black band, hoops, and my simple of simple makeup looks. Mascara, fill in the brows with eyeshadow, foundation, powder, lip liner. I did invest in, Santa's going to be bringing it. I really wanted to try a nice chapstick, and the fresh ones from Sephora come in a holiday bundle. So I think that Santa is going to be delivering those in my stocking. There are a 3-pack of them. They're probably, by the time this video is going up, I don't know if Sephora will still have their holiday bundles, but they always sell the fresh brand of chapstick. It's kind of expensive. Not kind of, it is expensive, but I found that I haven't really been wearing lipstick anymore, but lip liner adds color. It kind of dries out your lips though, so I'm hoping that by adding a chapstick over the top, it'll just make my lips more supple and hydrated. Today, I am doing a grocery order pickup. I'm sick, so I will probably read a book and take a nap later. It's not a whole lot on the agenda. I'm not working today. I haven't worked out. It's 11 and I haven't eaten breakfast yet. I've just had coffee. So I did make myself put in the grocery pickup order because my family still needs to eat. So I'm just gonna go, I got a text message that that's ready. So I'm gonna go pick that up and probably come back home and just relax and try to be on the mend. Today's outfit is this Henley from Athleta. Same leggings as yesterday and a pair of Hunter Chelsea boots. I have a trench coat on, and then today I am wearing a CC headband. It is snowing and it looks like it's sticking, so it's decently cold outside. This is something that I can easily just take off the headband, wear it around the house, and take off the jacket, but I won't be too warm in just the sweater and leggings. My hair looks kind of crazy. It's just in a high pony and I added some texturing spray, but it's definitely looking a little bit nuts. So I might have to tame that down a little bit. These headbands, I have this color, this cream color, and then I also have it in green. I'm wearing the same earrings. I'll just pull this down, same earrings as yesterday. Same necklace. I did paint my nails red, and that's it. My husband and I know later today we're gonna do a happy hour. Normal school day. Yep, that's about it. Nothing. I do have to get about 5 hours of work in today, so I do have to do that. And yesterday, I'm feeling much better today. Yesterday, I ended up I talked before about making dog food at home. So when I came home from the grocery store, I was feeling pretty good and decided to just knock out making the dog food for the week. So that's something I could just check off my to-do list and don't have to think about anymore. So I ended up doing that yesterday. But here is the outfit for today. Today's outfit is a white long sleeve from Vuori, the black Vuori joggers. I'm wearing my driving loafers, which in Oregon I can only wear when it's not raining, snowing, which isn't very often. So I love when I get to wear these because I just feel like they kind of dress up the outfit. A scarf that my girlfriend got for me when she went on vacation, trench coat, and that's it. All right, kids are fighting, so I gotta make this quick. Jewelry, same gold necklace, gold earrings, silicone ring, Apple Watch, still have red polish on. My fresh lip chapsticks came in the mail, so I did take one of them out to test it out, and I really like these. They have the perfect amount of color. This is the rose color, adds the perfect tint, and it's super moisturizing, so definitely I'm going to be loving these. Today we are going to the farmer's market and to a birthday party. Not really sure what the farmer's market's gonna have in the middle of winter, but we're gonna go check it out to get the kids out of the house. Today's outfit is the same base layer as yesterday. I am wearing the exact same long sleeve Vuori tee and the same Vuori joggers. I'm wearing the Cole Haan basic sneakers. I layered on a cardigan and a cream CC hat. My last video was a massive declutter. This is one of the bags that I'm gonna be dropping off at Goodwill today to get out of my house. My husband's grandmother actually does a lot of garage sales, so I might see if she wants any of these things for her garage sale, but if she doesn't, they're going to Goodwill. My makeup is definitely more involved than normal. I'm wearing eyeliner, which that's a big thing. If you've been following for a while, you know I'm like getting real fancy if I put on eyeliner. Flattened my hair, same jewelry as always. I did swap out the Apple band, and it might seem kind of boring to wear the exact same outfit, but I do feel like it looks different by adding a hat, changing my shoes, changing the outer layer. I don't feel like I'm wearing the exact same outfit that I wore yesterday. Today, kids are going to their great grandma's house to do a bunch of different crafts projects. She's great. She's like the most involved great grandma and very hands-on with the kids. So she's going to have all of her great grandchildren at her house working on craft projects, which means my husband and I can just run some errands and spend some time together. This afternoon, she's gonna feed them dinner and then bring them back home. Final outfit, just to prove I can wear something other than a white shirt and black pants. This is an Athleta hooded sweatshirt and Vuori joggers in the wine color. Same black Cole Haan tennis shoes. Did a full face of makeup 2 days in a row, which is basically unheard of for me, but I just had some extra time this morning and felt like doing a whole face of makeup, even though I really have nothing on the agenda. I have to work a ton. Kids need to go to school here in a couple minutes, and I have a bunch of returns. I shared on Instagram that I bought an Instant Pot during Black Friday. I hated it, so I'm returning that. And I ordered a Barefoot Dreams sweater in 2 different sizes and am returning the size that didn't work. I have the leopard band on today, same necklace, same earrings, same makeup as yesterday. Hair's just in a high pony with some texturizing spray. I hope that today's video gave you some inspiration to style your basics, and even if you are wearing very basic items, you can still dress them up with accessories and not feel like you're wearing the same thing every day. If you would like to see my entire winter capsule wardrobe, I'm going to go ahead and link that video here. Just go ahead and click on this annotation. I hope that you are all doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.